Hello everyone and welcome to our virtual phonetics mini class. My name is Jack and today we are going to study fricative sound, an important group of consonants in English. By the end of the lesson, you will be able to identify, pronounce, and produce and classify fricative as voiced or voiceless and produce them correctly.
Thank you, Jack, Dariana, and everyone watching. Get ready to speak and practice with us. Let's begin.
First, what are fricative sounds? Fricative sounds are consonant sounds produced when air passes through a narrow opening in the mouth or throat. This narrow space causes friction. Listen to this sound. Shh. That friction you hear is what makes a fricative.
You can imagine it like pressing water through a tiny hole. The turbulence is similar to the air escaping in your mouth when producing a fricative. We use them words like find, see, think, ship, and measure. Okay, fricatives are divided into two groups, voiceless and voice.
Perfect. The first, we are going to see the voiceless fricatives. The voiceless fricatives do not vibrate in the throat. So, Dariana, can you put your fingers gently on your throat?
Yeah.
And let's repeat these sounds. The first one is the the next one is the s,
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 and the next one is the
mm, s,
as you can see it not vibrate. And the last one is the sh,
sh,
sh.
sh.
Very well.
Okay, we are going to continue with voice fricatives. These ones do vibrate, so Dariana, please repeat after me and put your hand on your throat. Okay, we are going to start with the sound. So, v,
Mm,
v.
mm,
The next one is z,
s,
z.
z,
Okay, that's right. The next one is,
d,
and the last one is z,
z,
z.
z.
Okay.
If you feel vibration, it's voiced. If not, it's voiceless. That's the key difference.
Okay, and now let's learn how these sounds are physically produced in the mouth. So we will explain five main pairs.
So let's start with the first one, that is the labiodental. To produce and v sounds, the upper teeth lightly touch the lower lip, and air escapes through the gap, creating friction. The sound is voiceless, and the v is voiced. So, Dariana, can you repeat, please?
Yeah.
We are going
Yeah.
to repeat 3 times. So, let's start with the sound. First,
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 and first.
first.
Now the next one, that is the v sound, like in van,
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 and van.
van.
Perfect.
Okay, that's correct. The next one is dental, also called interdental. For this sound, the tongue goes slightly between the upper and lower teeth, and the air passes through. So we have two sounds. The first is the sound that is voiceless, like in the word think, and the second sound is the z sound that is voiced, like in the word this. So, Dariana, please repeat after me.
Okay.
Tick,
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 and tick.
tick.
Okay, the next one is this,
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 and this.
this.
Okay, that's correct.
Now, the third one is the alveolar fricative. Here, the tip of the tongue approaches the alveolar ring, that is the bump behind the upper teeth, without touching fully. In this, we have the s sound that is voiceless, the z sound that is voiced. So, Dariana, please repeat after me. Sow,
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 and sow.
sow.
Now the next one. Zen,
Sen,
zen,
sen,
and zen.
sen.
Very well.
Okay, we are going to continue with the post-alveolar fricatives. For sh and z, the tongue is placed slightly behind the alveolar ridge, pushing air back in the mouth. So we have two sounds that is sh is voiceless sound, and the other is z that is voiced. So Dariana, repeat after me, please.
Okay.
She,
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 and she.
she.
Okay, the next one is the sound z. So repeat after me. Casual,
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 casual.
casual.
Okay, that's right.
Now, to finish, we have the glottal fricative, and in the glottal fricative, to produce the sound, you only have to throw the air from your throat. So please, Diana, repeat after me. Heart,
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 and heart.
heart.
Very, very well. Now, Dariana, we want you to give us one word that contains a fricative sound. Tell us the difference and whether it is voiced or voiceless.
Okay. Um, I choose the word think. The fricative is th, and it is voiceless.
Okay, excellent job, Dariana. Great pronunciation. So, can you give us another word, maybe with the sound z or sh?
Yeah, sure. The word su, the fricative is z, and it is voiced.
Perfect. Well done, Dariana.
Okay, we are going to continue with the first activity. So you have to repeat after us. Fan,
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 van,
van,
and van.
van.
Okay, that's correct.
Now, Repeat after me. Thig,
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 and the other is this,
this,
this.
this.
Perfect.
Okay, the third is seal,
Seal,
seal.
seal,
The another one is zeal,
feel,
zeal.
zeal,
Okay, repeat another time, zeal.
seal,
Okay, that's right.
Now the last group. Repeat after me. She,
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 and the other is measure
measure,
and measure.
measure.
Very well, Dariana. Eh, Now I will say a word and Dariana will tell me if it is voiced or voiceless. Are you ready, Dariana?
Yeah, I'm ready.
Perfect. The first word is fish. What do you think?
I think it is voiceless.
Yes, it is. You are right.
Okay, the next word is zebra.
It is voiced.
Yes, that's correct.
The next word is thumb.
Mm, I think it is voiceless, maybe.
Yes, very well, Dariana.
Okay, the next word is vision. What do you think about the word?
That is voiced.
Yes, that's correct.
The next one is safe. What do you think about it?
Is voice is
Yes, very
voiceless.
well.
Okay, the last one is zero.
Um, voiced.
Okay, good job, Daniel.
And the last one is shoe.
I think is voiceless.
Yes,
Excellent, Ariana. You are identifying them correctly.
perfect. Now to finish our mini class, let's make a short resume. Let's make a short summary. Dariana, can you tell me what do you learn from this class today?
Yeah. Today I learned fricatives are consonant sounds made with air friction. Some are voiced and voiceless, and I learned a lot of fricative sounds.
Okay, that's a great summary. Remember, keep practicing with daily repetition.
Thank you everyone for joining us class and see you the next class.
Thank you for watching use, teacher, and why we choose this topic. Uh, because fricative sounds are often difficult for English learners, and many confuse voice and voiceless pairs. Teaching them helps students improve clarity and confidence when speaking. Um, why it is important in the context of English language teaching. It is important because fricatives appear in many common words. Understanding how they are produced, improve pronunciation, listening skills, and overall communication in English. And the last question is how this topic will help you in your future lessons as a teacher. This topic will help me design clearer pronunciation lessons and give students practical strategies to produce sounds correctly. It also provides activities I can reuse to support better speaking skills in future classes. And that's all. Thank you for listening.
Thank you,
Bye,
teacher,
teacher.
Bye.
and bye bye.